Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox crashing on PC. Let's get started. First, if Roblox is already open but isn't responding, let's completely close it. Go to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Now click Force Quit. Select Roblox from the list. Then click Force Quit again to completely close the application. Now try opening Roblox again. If it's still crashing, let's move on to the next method. Open System Settings on your Mac. From here, click General. Now select Software Update and check whether your Mac is running the latest version of macOS. If your Mac is already up to date, that's fine. If an update is available, consider installing it and then try Roblox again. Next, go back to General and open Storage. Check how much free storage you have. If your Mac is running very low on storage, remove unnecessary files or applications to free up some space. You can also check whether any app limits or restrictions are preventing Roblox from running. If Roblox has an app limit enabled, turn it off. Also check content and privacy restrictions. If these restrictions are enabled and you're authorized to change them, disable them and check Roblox again. If Roblox is still not working after trying all of these methods, there's one final option. Go to your Applications folder and find Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your Mac and again reinstall it. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tutorials.